So once again, good morning everyone. I am Gayatri Manwade, lecturer in ADFT GPW Hubli. In last previous sessions, we have discussed about introduction to fashion, evolution of fashion, types of fashion, then sources of inspiration for designing aspects. Let us proceed with the further inspirations. But the next inspiration is ethnic wear inspiration. During the 1990s, the first years of new millennium, ethnic style has been one of the strongest influences in the fashion field. The fashion designers such as Christian Lockrix, Dries Van Noten, John Galliano, Kenzo, Viveno Tam, and many other designers have taken the inspiration of Asian, African, and Arctic inspirations, cultural inspirations. Ethnic inspiration is nothing but a cultural or traditional inspiration on the grounds of nature and that particular state of regional place or any country maybe. Native Americans and several other dress forms and aesthetic styles have been created with colorful styles evocative of the past or faraway lands they have taken as the inspiration over there. They have also found sources for ethnic fashion with West, for example, of folk traditions of North and Eastern Europe. The fantastic element is strong in ethnic fashion even when based on detailed research which will give a good twist, so they appear to be contemporary wear. Ethnic styles were an important element in the intense experimentation with female dress. In the first decades of 20th century, the ethnic styles played a very good role for inspiration. Paul Porret adopted the lines and silhouette of the Japanese contemporary dresses, and a few years later he have picked the inspiration of Middle Eastern part of a country. For example, Sultan and Harem mode, a loose fitted garments and bold color combinations which enhances the beauty of good color combination, and Marino Fortuny combined inspiration from the contemporary art of Middle Eastern clothing as well as European art also, especially Italian resonance in pleated dresses that follow the good lines in the body. The history of art is very good inspiration because in the historical days or ancient days, the people what they used to wear, we cannot imagine also. A very traditional dresses, a very rich costumes with a richness in embroideries, surface ornamentation, and the jewelries which they used to wear with them was really a fantastic mode it was. His dresses or artistic dresses connote both timeless. They are not made for any special occasions. They are made for common purpose. And no seasonal changes of fashion was there at that time. Just see the inspiration of this, the traditional inspiration, ethnic inspiration, the embroidery, different embroidery images are there over here. Running stitch, all over stitch, chicken curry, and the threads, special threads used for that particular embroidery, and the color combination chart with this. And these are the different traditional costumes of India. Banjaras, Kerala costume, then Manipuri, Jodhpuri. Just see the different regional embroideries which we can take the inspiration from this. Kashida of Kashmir, Shindi work, chicken curry work, then Lucknowi work, we can see then fishbone stitches, chain stitches, patchwork, Banjara embroidery. These are the best inspiration for our cloth designs. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Let us see you in the next session. Until then, take care.